Hi, hello guys, 𝙬𝙧𝙚𝙧 here. We create excellent presentations. This video will be a little bit special video because I will honest review this template, 3D Startup Business PowerPoint template. This is not my template. The company called RRgraph Design, here they have their e-commerce shop. They also sell their template that you can buy. Of course, I was not paid by them. They just decided to send me this template because they want to know my honest review about their template. So let's get started. So the main advantage of this template is that this is a 3D template. So for instance, this rocket element is a 3D object. So of course we can rotate it 360 degrees, and it's a game changer. I will show you in a minute. So let's get started. So F5 to start from the beginning. As you can see, also every slide is animated, so that's also really appreciated. I really like the font and colors. This, this blue and black colors really matches together. All right, let's keep scrolling. This template is 35 slides. All right, as you can see, every slide has transition and also animations, so that's quite cool. All right, so we will end at slide number 11. Alright, as you can see, here you have, like I said you before, 35 slides. The font is Poppins. Yeah, exactly. Font is Poppins, so also I really like it because Poppins is really modern font. I really like the colors, like I said you before. Yeah, those mockups are also really cool. Some charts. Yeah, so generally, I would rate this whole template 9 by 10. Yeah. I noticed just one disadvantage. Like I said you before, this template has 3D objects, and generally 3D objects are demanding for your computer. So, of course, if you have an older PC or laptop, I'm not sure if every transition will be smooth. And also this presentation is 240 megabytes, so also the size is quite big, like for only 35 slides. But generally the whole design, I really like it. So how to edit this template? That's quite easy. Let's say here, slide number 21, of course you have title "Check our website", and you can change the title as you want. Check our, let's say, new website. And that's all. Of course, you can change the color. That's really easy and intuitive. Of course, right here also you have body text that you can edit, type anything. Like I said you before, every slide has animations, like here, that. And those animations are quite cool. They are just perfect. And I would like to show you one trick that is related to 3D objects. So let's find, yeah, maybe this slide. So as you can see, this is slide number 13. So let's duplicate this slide. So Ctrl and D. And as you can see right here, we have a duplicate of this slide. We need to delete all of animations. All right. And we will set transition to morph transition. And if I preview, if I preview, this is slide 13 and this is 14. So nothing changes, right? But there is one trick, as you can see right here. Because of that, this is 3D object, I can rotate it. So let's say I will rotate it maybe like here, and I will change the size and maybe position to here. So now if I preview that, yeah, actually I have to go into slideshow mode. As you can see, this is the slide and this is the next slide. And as you can see, this transition looks really stunning, really amazing. I will show you once more. This is slide number 13. As you can see also, these guys added animation to this object, but if I proceed to the next slide, this 3D element morphed to this new shape, to this new rotation, so it looks really, really cool. Yeah guys, so I think that's all. Generally, I'm really glad of those guys. This template is really modern, really cool. I think everything is just perfect. You know, just those two disadvantages, little disadvantages I said you before. The file size is quite big, and if you have an older PC or laptop, then I'm not sure if all of those transitions and animations will be smooth. But if you have more powerful laptop or PC, I'm sure that everything will be fine. And of course, if you'd like to use your own images, that's also really easy. You just select this image. For instance, you go into picture format, change picture, and from clipboard. And of course, earlier you have to copy your image. So that's really easy. Like I said before, every slide is animated. I think that's cool. Of course, if you would like to get rid of those animations, you just select all of them and delete them. That's quite easy. And the main advantage of this template is basically that this is 3D. So for instance here, this is not just an image or picture, a flat picture. This is 3D element, 3D object. So I can change rotation, I can do everything. And with morph, it can look really, really stunning. You know, like I said before, these guys create their own templates, and there have plenty of them. If you are more interested, you can purchase something from them. And like I said before, I was absolutely not paid by those guys. We just cooperated and then sent me this template for my honest review. So I'll send you my honest review, advantages of this template and disadvantages. Generally, I'm really glad. I would rate it 9 by 10. Yeah, and actually I think that's all. If you liked this video and if you would like to help us a little bit, you can subscribe to our channel, and of course you can turn on the notification bell. Then you will not miss any of our tutorials and any of our videos. Thank you really guys for watching. Have a great day and lead a happy life. Excellent slides.